Alright, so today I'm going to be taking the sending unit out of this bike and changing the fuel lines, which I've got right here. These little cheap plastic looking things. I'm going to change these out because my bike, when I'm riding it at a consistent speed, going about 45 miles an hour, somewhere in that range, it'll kind of stutter and misfire a little bit. And I've heard, maybe, we'll find out, these lines get perforated over time. I looked at them. Mine are old. 25 years old, nearly. And they get perforated, and it can anger the fuel system, the injection system, basically, because this bike is fuel injected. So let's change these out. I'll show you how I do it. It shouldn't be too difficult. Alright, so I apologize. Some of these clips didn't have audio, so I'm going to voice it over. So you just remove these screws with a T20 Torx, nothing special. Then what I did is I cut the fuel line, because I was having a hard time with it. Mine was very not flexible from its age. Now, what I didn't show, and it's because mine, the spring was missing on, it has this apparatus you have to push down with a flathead screwdriver, really long flathead, or something similar, and to get it to release. It's like a weird 90-degree mechanism. It's really strange. So anyway, took it off, and I already put the new regulator and fuel filter on, which, again, I didn't get on video. Had some problems that day filming. So they had changed the fuel pump before, but they didn't change any of the lines. They reused the old ones, which is, just brilliant. I don't know why you do that. So I had to take this little squeeze clamp off. I just fought it with a pair of side cutters until it came loose. And I did I did put new squeeze clamps on instead of using worm clamps on this. And all I did was use a PEX crimper for a PEX line, and it crimped them just fine. So if you need to crimp yours, don't buy a special tool, just use a PEX crimper. Anyway, I was removing this line off the fuel pump. I don't know why that's so damn tight, but I had to use a knife to split it, and I did cut myself on something, so excuse the red stuff going everywhere. But anyway, yeah, I had to split this because it was so tight, and yeah, it was extremely tough to deal with. What I ended up doing reinstalling, which I didn't get it on the camera, again, apologize for that. I ended up just heating it a little bit and got it on there, and then use those little crimp tools with the PEX crimper. Alright, here we go. Put this sucker out here. Already drained all the fuel out of the bowl. I drained all the fuel out of the tank. There's the old line. Factory original 2001, I think it is. Here's the new one. See the difference. I'm going to look at this in a minute and see if there are any pinholes or rub spots. I don't see any right now. There's no need to get this very tight. It uses a toe ring. As long as it doesn't leak, that's all that matters. There we go. Good as new. Alright, I got this sucker fully assembled. I had to put my own spring on. It was missing. Someone jacked it up. And yes, I know, the fuel sender is gone. And no, I'm not fixing it. That thing is $250. It is not worth that. So let's put this sucker in there. So, make sure you put the gasket down first. Don't forget. And you kind of straighten this weird apparatus. Straighten this weird apparatus out. Hang on a second, let me do this. The gasket on the sitting in first. Put the hose clamp on it first. At least that shouldn't affect. I'm putting this thing on. This will be pretty tough, but luckily, it's pretty easy. So I'll find that down when I get this in place. The goal is. Oh shit, I might fuck this up. Hang on. Hang on. Alright, take two. Didn't realize you gotta put this in first and then do the first one. Wiggle this SOB in there. Weird floppy. I don't know what that is. Okay. Kind of a wrestling match, but it'll work. There it is. This weird freaking apparatus right here. Kind of tough to deal with. Okay, let's get those kind of tight. And yeah, no, they say you're not supposed to use these. I don't see what the problem is really, but whatever. I'm gonna try it out. If it doesn't work or something, then well, I'll let you guys know that it doesn't work. Don't do that. Alright, there we go. Put the bolts in. Alright, so I haven't been able to get it to do it again. I think I may have fixed it. We'll see. I'll let you guys know if it comes back or whatever. I'll make another video on it. But so far, it seems to be acting pretty good. I've ridden it around some. But like I said, we'll see. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Thanks.